Alright, so in this video we are going to be covering how to go from moles to moles. This is the most straightforward of all the problems that we will go over. So to find moles to moles, you must first use your ratio. So in this problem, we are going to be talking about the Al atom and the O2 molecule. So we're talking about Al and O2. So that means we're going from Al to O2. And so our ratio is, let's find it. Al to O2 is 4:3. If you don't want to reference A, B, or C for your ratios, feel free to go back to your equation. So we have Al, there's a 4, ... for the 2 part, and then O is O2, so it's 4:3. So our ratio for the problem of you have 4 moles of Al, how many moles of O2 do you have? The ratio is 4:3. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to make a fraction. So to make a fraction, what you're going to do is put the number that is on the right, which is also the number associated with the molecule you are looking for, on top in the numerator position. So it's going to be 3/4. And that's it. It's that simple. So the 3 is on top because it is the one item we are looking for. If you can't remember it like that, remember it's just always going to be the number on the right, assuming you set up everything right. So 3/4. Next step is to divide. So fractions are actually just division problems that are unsolved. So in your calculator, I want you to put in 3 divided by 4, 3 division sign 4, and that should give you the value of 0.75. Okay. So now that you have this value, you're going to actually go back to the value I gave you in your problem. So in your problem, it says 4 moles. Okay? We have 4 moles of Al. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 0.75 times this given value. This is called your given value. Your given value is always going to be the only other value that I give you in a question. So for this one, you have 4 moles. So 0.75 times 4 equals, and if you type this in your calculator, you should get 3 moles as your answer. And because we are looking for moles, so it's asking for how many moles of O2 we have, we are finished. So our completed answer to this problem is 3 moles. So, to repeat myself, I used the ratio on the far left. I made that ratio into a fraction. I put that fraction on my calculator, and then I multiplied that fraction by my given value of 4 moles. This gave me my final answer of 3 moles. So, if you want, you can pause the video and try and do number 3 on your own. It is another moles to moles problem. So I'll give you the chance to pause now. And now I'm going to go over how to solve this problem. So, first thing you do, as you should have done in the problem you did independently, is find your ratio. So we have Al to O2. Oh, we don't need that line, my bad. So Al has the value of what? Let's go back up. So you have 4. O2 has the value of 3. Okay? So 4:3 is our ratio, just like in the previous problem, actually. Next step is going to make a fraction. So, as we did previously, the O is associated with 3, and so 3 is going to go on top. It's always a number on the right, just remember. Next, we're going to divide. 3 divided by 4, 3 division sign 4 is going to give you 0.75. If you're unsure, please just use your calculator, or else you will get the wrong answer. Now you're going to do 0.75 multiplied by your given value, which is 8. So it's going to be 0.75 divided times 8 times 8, not divided by, times 8 moles equals, let me fix that. Is 6 moles. And this is your final answer. So that is how you find most moles. If you have any questions, please just ask me a reminder or comment on this video. You can do like private comments or something. And I will see you later. Now how do I turn this off?